Hello students, good afternoon. It's me Mamta Rana, your basic level math teacher, and today I am going to teach for class 4 about types of triangle on the basis of angle. Okay? Are you all ready? Okay. And in previous class we read about types of triangle on the basis of sides. Yes? And we have 3 types of triangle on the basis of sides. What are they? Yes, they are acute angle triangle. Sorry, they are scaling triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Yes, and in equilateral triangle, there is all sides are equal. Yes, and in isosceles triangle, yes, only 2 sides are equal. And the scaling triangle, none of the sides are equal. Okay, and today we are going to read the types of triangles on the basis of angles. Okay, today we see the angles of triangle and we will classify its types. Okay, so and I have drawn here 3 triangles. Okay, number first triangle, second and third. Let's measure its angle. Okay, and triangle it has 3 angles. Yes, angle A, angle B, angle C. Let's measure it. What we will find here? Okay, B angle. How many degree it is? Angle B it is 75 degree. Angle B is 75 degree. Okay, and let's measure angle C with the help of protractor. Okay, yes, this angle is 60 degree. And let's measure angle A. Okay, yes, this is 45 degree. Okay, see here, angle A is 45 degree, angle B is 75 degree, and angle C is 60 degree. And all these 3 angles are acute angle. Yes, we read already the types of angle: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, a complete triangle. Yes, we read already the types of angle, and with the help of that types of angle, we see here 45 degree acute angle, 75 degree acute angle, and 60 degree this also acute angle. Then we can say this triangle is acute angle triangle. Okay, first number triangle is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Okay, yes, see here, the first type of triangle on the basis of angle, that is acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, all the angles of a triangle should be acute angle. Okay, all the angles of a triangle that should be less than 90 degree. If we found the angles of a triangles are less than 90 degree, then we say that that triangle is acute angle triangle. Okay students, good. Then next, second number triangle. Which type of triangle is that? Let's measure the angles. Q angle, how much degree is this? Angle Q. Okay, angle Q, it is 90 degree. It is more than 90 degree. 100, 110 degree. Q angle is 110 degree. and let's measure R angle. Angle R is, yes, angle R is 45 degree. Okay, angle R is 45 degree, and let's measure angle P. How much degree is this? Let's adjust the protractor. Yes, angle P is 25 degree. Okay, let's see all the angles. Angle P is 25 degree, angle Q is 110 degree, and angle R is 45 degree. Here we found one of the angle is more than 90 degree. It means obtuse angle. Yes, this Q angle is obtuse angle, 110 degree. The measurement of this Q angle is 110 degree. So Q angle is obtuse angle. Yes, so this triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, obtuse angle triangle. Okay students, let's see. If in the triangle, yes, one of the angle, if we found more than 90 degree or obtuse angle, then we can say that triangle is obtuse angled triangle. Okay, any problem? No. Yes, so again, if in the triangle, yes, one of the angle is obtuse angle or one of the angles measurement is more than 90 degree, then we say that triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, clear? Next, number 3. Number 3 figure. Look, here I have given the sign. Which sign is this? Yes, it is 90 degree sign. Okay, this angle is 90 degree angle. 90 degree means right angle. Yes, so this angle is called right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Okay, again, if in the triangle we found one of the angle is 90 degree or one of the angle is right angle, then that type of triangle is called right angle triangle. Okay, types of triangle. On the basis of angle, we found 3 types of triangle. Yes, first type is acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, we found all the angles are acute angle or all the angles are less than 90 degree. Okay, and second number types is obtuse angle triangle. Yes, in obtuse angle triangle, 2 angles are acute, but one angle that should be obtuse. Okay, in this triangle, if we found one angle is obtuse angle, then we see that type of triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, and number third triangle is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, we need one of the angle is 90 degree. This sign means 90 degree. Yes. If in the triangle one of the angle is 90 degree, then we say that type of triangle is right angle triangle. Okay students, good. We completed. You have homework here. Okay, page number 22. Your homework. Page number 22, question number 1 and 2. Okay, page number 22, question number 1 and 2. That is your homework. You do it. Okay. Okay. Thank you, students.